AEROMAX is a mounted grassland
aerator
aerator designed for the maintenance of meadows, pastures, paddocks, and other intensively used grassland areas. It is particularly suitable for livestock farms where good sward condition affects the quantity and quality of the forage produced. The machine's main working element is a 600mm roller equipped with cutting knives. During operation, the knives cut into the sward and create narrow slits in the soil that facilitate the penetration of water and air into the root zone. This treatment helps reduce the effects of soil compaction, supports root system development, and accelerates sward regeneration after grazing, mowing, or frequent machinery traffic. The working depth and roller down pressure can be adjusted hydraulically from the tractor cab. The machine can also be equipped with additional ballast weights of up to 1,500 kilograms, which increase the pressure exerted by the knives on the sward under more demanding working conditions. The optional double row of 12mm harrow tines combs out thatch, dead plant material, and accumulated residues. Hydraulic adjustment allows the intensity of their operation to be adapted to the current condition of the grassland. AEROMAX can also be equipped with a platform for mounting a pneumatic seed drill. This makes it possible to combine aeration and combing of the sward with grass overseeding in a single pass. The robust construction, based on a 100 by 100mm frame section, is available in working widths of 1.8, 3, and 6 meters. The largest version is hydraulically folding. AEROMAX helps improve the soil's air and water conditions, supports sward regeneration, and prepares grassland for even regrowth. Contact our sales department to select the working width and equipment configuration best suited to your needs.